This is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. It's got the 22-inch rims with the chrome pockets. Got the window tint. And one thing about this vehicle, even with the miles at 62,000, this paint is in phenomenal condition. It was definitely well kept. And I can't say that it is 100%, but I believe this car has been ceramic coated. And if you're not familiar with what that is, just look it up. But the paint is just very little swirls or scratches, something that you would see normally with a black car, especially with miles like this. It looks newer than new. The previous owner was very, very particular about it, so it's in great, great shape. You probably can't pick it up in camera, but there's just very little swirls in that black paint compared to what you would normally see. It's just in great, great shape. Continental Tires, 235 45 22s. Got a good amount of tread left on them there. Really, really nice. Proximity entry on all four doors. There's your black leather. It's a non-smoker. The only flaw I notice inside here is the leather has separated just a little bit there. But besides that, that's the only big thing that you'll see. Everything else is very, very nice. It does have a sunroof. You'll see it is second row captains. It does have a DVD player. And you can see the plastic was never even removed from it. And the headphones have never been taken out of the box, so I don't think they ever even used the DVD system. Second row heated seats, and there's your climate control system. Looking in the back, you got your third row here. LED lights up top. All your air vents. Reverse parking sensors. There's a chrome exhaust tip with a Chevy bow tie on it. Power lift gate. That glass opens as well if you want to just open the glass. There's a button for that. It's got the cargo net here. Here's the headphones and the remote, never opened in the box. And this is a power folding third row and a power release. Power folding and lifting on the third row, but on the power release here for the second, you'll see, I'll just do the left one there. It just flops it down, but I cannot raise it up. But for this third row, you can do power fold and bring them back up. So that's really, really nice. You got some storage here underneath that little section there. There's your power lift gate button. Got a roof rack with the cross rails. Bose audio, power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You got your child locks for the windows and the doors. Power folding mirrors, to push the button, they'll fold. Push them again, they fold back out. And those are really nice and can be done with the remote as well. Driver memory seat package. This door sill plate here. Very few scratches. Most of them on something like that would be beat up. This is very nice and clean. You can tell they lifted their foot over it and not rubbed it on it. Driver seat, a little bit of wear right here. Besides that, bolster's nice, no rips, tears, great condition. Hopping inside, you do have a tow package, so you do get your trailer brake controller, four-wheel drive, automatic headlights, power adjustable pedals, lane change alert, and you'll see that in the side mirror. There's a car there with a little star that when that illuminates, somebody's in your blind spot. Power adjustable steering column, that's savable as well. So you got your pedals, steering column, Side mirrors, driver's seat, all programmable, and you can save them with this. Heated steering wheel with forward collision alert. There's your gap distance that you can adjust. This also will brake for you. You'll see a little cubby hole there. It illuminates a bright red LED across the window when you're coming up on somebody too quick. Bluetooth, backup camera, built-in navigation, a little hiding spot, little cubby hole here. You can lock this screen from raising in valet mode. So you can put some valuables in there, type in a 4-digit PIN, and lock it out so it will not open unless you use your PIN. Push button start, tri-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, 12-volt port, 2 USBs, cup holders, get a wireless charging pad here, some storage. There's your owner's manual. There's a 12-volt port, 2 USBs, auxiliary, and an SD card. You have an auto-dimming rearview mirror. There's your OnStar, built-in garage door opener, power sunroof. Here's your power liftgate button, and it is a programmable height. LED map lights. Coming here as far as safety features go, you do have safety alert seat, park assist, rear cross traffic alert, side blind zone alert, and then of course your forward collision alert. Console looks great, no scratches or anything that I can see. Steering wheel looks good. I mean, this car was babied for sure, you can tell. Very, very nice. Only major flaw I could even think of would just be this little part right here. And of course it does have your remote start, power liftgate button right here, and then this unlocks the glass.